Hello everyone, today we are going to do the lab and it is about series and parallel combination of resistors. Okay, so we use different resistors having different resistance. So simply I'm going to use 20 ohm, 50 ohm, 100 ohm and 1000 ohm, that is 1 kilo ohm. So we have to do the series combination, parallel combination and mixed combination. So series combination is here. I take the two resistors having 20 ohm and 50 ohm resistance and I use the power supply 10 volt. Okay, and this is the series combination, and here we measure the total resistance and we measure the total current through the circuit. And if you want, you can calculate the current through each resistor also, and we can also calculate the voltage across each resistor. Okay, so this is series combination, and here we have parallel combination. This is the parallel combination. 50 ohm and 20 ohm resistors, they are connected in parallel. In this case also you have to measure the total resistance in the circuit and total resistance in the circuit and total current in the circuit. And we can also calculate the voltage across each resistors. We can also calculate the current through each resistors too. Okay, and the last we do the mixed combination. Here you can see 100 ohm and 1000 ohm resistors, they are connected in parallel, and the 20 ohm resistance that is connected in series with the parallel combination, and the power supply is again 10 volt. Here also we have to calculate the total resistance in the circuit, and we have to calculate the total current passing through the circuit, and we can also calculate the current across passing through each resistors and voltage across each resistors. Okay, so this lab is pretty simple. Okay, and to do this lab we need like a resistor. So this is the resistance box. It has like 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 50 ohm, 100 ohm, 500 ohm, and this is another resistance box. Here I have a 1 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, up to we have 5 mega ohm. And to measure the current voltage, we use this digital multimeter. Okay, so this is a multimeter. You can use this multimeter to measure the voltage. Okay, to measure the resistance, to measure the current. You can measure the microampere current, milliampere current, and ampere. This is ampere current, and this v is the voltage. So you have to set these. If you want to measure the uh, voltage, you have to set like this v. Okay, so now this is off. So this is a multimeter. We can use this to measure the current, the voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency also. That is why we call the multimeter. And here is the power supply. Here is the power supply, DC power supply. Okay, so I use this DC power supply to supply the voltage, and here is the button, the power button. So if you turn on, then you can supply the current voltage, and I use 10 volt power supply, 10 volt. Okay, the voltage is 10 volt. So what I will do is I will make a connection according to this diagram. I will use the series combination. This combination, series combination, I will use 20 ohm and 50 ohm resistance, and I will also use the parallel combination. Here this one 50 ohm and 20 ohm resistors, they are connected in parallel, and I also use the 10 volt power supply. And the another one is the mixed combination. Look at this is your parallel combination, and here you have another 20 ohm resistance. So this 20 ohm is connected in series with this parallel combination, and here I have a 10 volt power supply. The voltage supply is 10 volt. Then I will measure the current in each case, and I will provide you the picture. So Please look at the picture provided, then measure the current, okay, and follow the instruction given. I'll attach the manual there, okay. So please complete this lab very carefully and submit electronically. Thank you.